So now I am going to make the next question. The next question is this figure. As you can see, I will open it from the assignment because this screenshot is not very clear. Now you can see in this figure, these were the dimensions of the figure. So I am going to draw this cavalier projection for this object, and it is very simple, and you have to draw it again in the 45-degree. So the first face of this side, you need to make it first, then you take the points on the upper side and you join all these points. So we are going to make this orthographic view first, then we will make the make the oblique view. So first it is going to be a distance of 30, only 30. So I am going to double the scale. So every dimension, whatever it is given, I am going to take the double dimension of that. Okay, so 30 will become 60. 60 by 60, it is going to be 60 by 60, because 30 is a very small dimension, so it is good to have a big dimension. So we are going to make in twice scale. So its height would be its height would be 40, so we are going to take it as 80. Its height becomes 80. I am using a twice scale. Okay. So the next is the inside circle, which is at a distance of 20, and I am going to make it 40. First I am going to make center line of this object. This is the center. Now it is 10 downwards in every direction. You have to make another similarly on this side. This is going to be 40. Similarly on this side, it is going to be 40. So this is the internal square which is given in the figure. I am going to make every dimension of this object. Here is this dimension important. This dimension is also important. This dimension is also important, and this dimension. You have to take this point on the upper side like this and this, and join with the scale. Rest lines are helping lines. You need to darken this front view. You need to dark this front view. This is the front side of this object. The distance here would be 60. Here the distance is 80. This is 10. This is 10. This is 40. This is 60. Arrows is the previous shape. Now this would be your your orthographic view. Now I am going to make the oblique view. So you need to make a angle of 45 degree like this. Mark the basic curve first. So you need to make it the front shape, front size is of 80 by 60. 80 by 60. Okay. You can directly make this on this place 80 by 60. Then this distance is again 60. Okay, this is 60, and you complete the box with a 60-80 dimension. Now on the upper side, as you know, there is another box. You need to draw its shape first. This is an helping lines. Now you need to just join this points with this point. This dimension would become 40. The inside square is 40 by 40 and the outside square is 60. This is what you will get. You can make the dimension here. This is 80 by 60. Okay. This distance is 60 over here. So this is your complete figure. This is the complete answer of the oblique cavalier projection. This is oblique cavalier projection. Here I am taking 45-degree angle. This would be your answer.